Have you ever heard of the saying, eat the rainbow? Well, if you haven't, it simply means that we should eat foods from all colors in the rainbow. This is because each color holds a different nutrient or nutrients, so the more colors you eat, the more nutrients your body receives. Eating foods of different colors can also help with weight loss because some colors contain special compounds called phytochemicals. These phytochemicals have been shown to aid weight loss by increasing the feeling of fullness after a meal. It's for this reason that today we're going to share with you a rainbow meal plan that will help fill your body with all kinds of vitamins and minerals while helping you lose weight. This meal plan is weight loss friendly and consists of 7 days of delicious recipes and meals. Let's check it out. Day 1, red. On day 1, make sure to eat foods that are red. As the name suggests, the red color can be attributed to tomatoes, watermelon, red bell peppers, red onions, cherries, pomegranates, and strawberries. All of these foods are not only delicious and easy to incorporate into any diet, but they're also rich in lycopene, an antioxidant that's been linked with reducing inflammation in the body and protecting against heart disease and certain cancers. Lycopene is most readily absorbed by the body when consumed with a little fat. So be sure to incorporate some healthy fats like olive oil or avocado oil into your meals. Breakfast. Start your morning with a refreshing glass of tomato and watermelon juice. Blend together 1 cup of chopped tomatoes, 1/2 cup of cubed watermelon, 1/4 cup of orange juice, and 1/2 cup of water. For a tasty twist, add a pinch of salt and a few mint leaves for a nutritious and hydrating breakfast. Lunch. Create a vibrant salad with red bell peppers, red onion, pomegranate seeds, and a drizzle of olive oil. Add grilled chicken or tofu for protein and quinoa for fiber and healthy fats. The combination of these ingredients will provide a balance of nutrients and keep you feeling full and satisfied. Dinner. Prepare a simple pasta dish with whole grain pasta, cherry tomatoes, fresh basil, and a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. If you're a vegetarian or vegan, you can toss in some cooked chickpeas or lentils for protein. The lycopene in the tomatoes and the basil's antioxidant properties make this dish both flavorful and beneficial for your health. Day 2, orange. Day 2 is all about incorporating orange foods into your diet. Think carrots, sweet potatoes, oranges, apricots, and mangoes. These fruits and veggies are packed with beta-carotene, which is converted into vitamin A in the body. Vitamin A plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy skin, supporting vision health, and boosting the immune system. Breakfast. Enjoy a nourishing bowl of oatmeal topped with sliced bananas, a drizzle of honey, and a sprinkle of chopped walnuts. The beta-carotene in the bananas and the fiber in the oatmeal will keep you energized throughout the morning. Lunch. Create a colorful Buddha bowl with brown rice, roasted sweet potatoes, steamed broccoli, and a protein of your choice, such as tempeh, edamame, or black beans. The combination of these ingredients provides a good source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Dinner. Prepare a delicious salmon dish with roasted carrots, orange slices, and a side of quinoa. The healthy fats in the salmon and the beta-carotene in the carrots make this meal both satisfying and nutritious. For vegetarians or vegans, you can replace the salmon with tofu or seitan. Day 3, yellow. On the 3rd day of our Rainbow Challenge, let's focus on yellow foods such as corn, pineapple, lemons, bananas, and grapefruit. These yellow fruits and vegetables are rich in flavonoids, which have been shown to support heart health by reducing inflammation and improving blood vessel function. Flavonoids also act as antioxidants, protecting the body against free radical damage. Breakfast. Start your day with a vibrant smoothie made with banana, pineapple chunks, Greek yogurt, and almond milk. This smoothie is not only delicious and refreshing, but also packed with flavonoid-rich ingredients that will fuel your body for the day ahead. Lunch. Create a yellow vegetable curry with coconut milk, yellow bell peppers, corn, and a protein of your choice. Serve the curry over brown rice for a complete and nourishing meal. The combination of these ingredients will provide a unique blend of flavors and nutrients. Dinner. Prepare a tasty pasta salad with whole wheat pasta, yellow tomatoes, corn kernels, and a lemon vinaigrette dressing. Add chickpeas or your favorite protein for extra nutrition. The flavonoids in the tomatoes and the fiber in the pasta will contribute to a heart-healthy meal. Day 4, green. Day 4 is all about green foods like spinach, broccoli, green beans, avocados, and limes. These green fruits and veggies are rich in chlorophyll, a compound that has detoxifying properties and helps remove harmful toxins from the body. Chlorophyll also supports healthy digestion and promotes wound healing. Breakfast. Enjoy a simple yet nutritious breakfast of scrambled eggs with spinach, chopped walnuts, and a side of whole grain toast. The combination of these ingredients provides a balance of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. Lunch. Create a refreshing salad with mixed greens, broccoli florets, sliced cucumbers, and a green goddess dressing. Add grilled chicken or tofu for protein and quinoa for fiber and healthy fats. The chlorophyll in the salad greens will help detoxify the body while providing essential nutrients. Dinner. Prepare a delicious stir-fry with brown rice, broccoli, green beans, snap peas, and a protein of your choice. The combination of these ingredients creates a nutritious and flavorful meal that's perfect for a quick weeknight dinner. Day 5. Blue and Purple. Day 5 focuses on blue and purple foods such as blueberries, blackberries, eggplant, and purple cabbage. These fruits and veggies are packed with anthocyanins, which are antioxidants that have anti-inflammatory properties. Anthocyanins have been linked with reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and certain cancers. Breakfast. Indulge in a bowl of mixed berries topped with a dollop of Greek yogurt and a sprinkle of chopped nuts. The anthocyanins in the berries and the protein in the yogurt make this breakfast both satisfying and nutritious. Lunch. Create a colorful salad with purple cabbage, sliced apples, black beans, and a citrus vinaigrette dressing. Add grilled tofu or tempeh for extra protein and fiber. The combination of these ingredients provides a unique blend of flavors and nutrients. Dinner. Prepare a Mediterranean-inspired dish with eggplant, zucchini, cherry tomatoes, and a sprinkle of feta cheese. The antioxidants in the eggplant and the healthy fats in the zucchini make this meal both delicious and nutritious. For vegetarians or vegans, you can omit the feta cheese and add a drizzle of tahini for a creamy texture. Day 6. White and Brown. On the 6th day of our Rainbow Challenge, let's incorporate white and brown foods into our meals. These include cauliflower, mushrooms, apples, pears, almonds, and flax seeds. These foods are rich in antioxidants that help protect against cellular damage and reduce inflammation in the body. Breakfast. Start your morning with a comforting bowl of oatmeal topped with sliced pears, chopped almonds, and a drizzle of honey. The antioxidants in the pear and the fiber in the oatmeal will keep you feeling full and satisfied. Lunch. Create a Buddha bowl with brown rice, roasted cauliflower, steamed broccoli, and a protein of your choice. The combination of these ingredients provides a balance of nutrients and promotes satiety. Dinner. Prepare a simple pasta dish with whole wheat pasta, cauliflower rice, mushrooms, and a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. The antioxidants in the mushrooms and the fiber in the cauliflower rice make this meal both comforting and nutritious. Day 7. All colors. On the final day of our Rainbow Challenge, let's celebrate all the colors of fruits and vegetables. Create a colorful salad or fruit salad that includes a variety of fruits and veggies from all the colors of the rainbow. This is a great opportunity to experiment with new ingredients and create a truly vibrant and nutritious meal. These salads are not only visually appealing, but also packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health and well-being. The diversity of flavors and textures will tantalize your taste buds and keep you motivated on your weight loss journey. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to incorporating the rainbow of fruits and vegetables into your diet. Aim to include a variety of colors in your meals throughout the week to ensure you reap all the benefits. By doing so, you'll not only support your weight loss goals, but also improve your overall health and well-being. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. Stay healthy and happy.